Hey, how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's having a good morning out there. So Honda just kind of showed what the future holds with them by some new deal they just made. It'll kind of make you think what the future is for the company and kind of if you're in the car market, if you're going to be waiting a little bit longer or going to buy something now, because this will definitely change how their vehicles will be produced going forward. So let me go ahead and share exactly what Honda just made a deal with and what it means for us. So like I said, we know that they're changing the direction they're going, but this is some big news for them, and it kind of shows their hand of what they're going to go with going forward. So Honda just signed a multi-year agreement with a United States AI startup. And what that means is that they're going to use this startup company to help with their self-driving capabilities. This company is called Helm AI Inc. And it's going to collaborate with Honda to make mass market vehicles by 2027. So we're talking within 2 years. And you know, a lot of companies are kind of going after that. We know Tesla has the autopilot, and then General Motors has a Super Cruise system. So it's a lot more than what it has now. You know, now it'll drive, I think, for 10 seconds before you have to touch the steering wheel and all that. So this will make it a lot more advanced as far as the self-driving features go. And their whole push for this is to make something that's more affordable as far as the automated driving system. So you don't have to go spend, if you want something like that, like in a Tesla, $60,000 or $70,000 minimum to get it. Now they're trying to bring it to where the average person could afford something like that. And this has been in the works for a while. They've started working with Helm AI in 2021. So we're talking 4 years. They've already been investing with them to get it to where it is right now. So I thought that was pretty interesting because, like I said, if you kind of like how the cars are right now with the basic setup, you got the hybrid system that offers, and we know that the full electric, they kind of are pulling back with that a little bit. So hopefully it'll bring this more autonomous driving system to a gas model car. I kind of feel like the features they have now, like where it'll brake for you and it, steers for you for a few seconds. It's kind of like the entry point because everyone else is kind of going the fully autonomous way. So again, thought that was interesting. So if you kind of want to shy away from cars like that, I would buy something sooner because like I said, by 2027, they're looking to have these fully autonomous vehicles out. And we know that kind of stuff comes with its own problems. We've seen plenty of situations where the fully autonomous vehicles, they crash, all that kind of stuff. There's lawsuits going on with that. So not sure if I would invest in something like that right off the gate. Their very first ones. I mean, that might be 5 to 7 years down the road, maybe. So if you, like I said, if you're kind of eyeing the market and seeing if you want to buy a car now or seeing what the future holds, just know that the future of Honda, they're going to have more fully autonomous vehicles. So that could be a good thing for you, or it could be something that you shy away from just because a lot of issues when you kind of switch away. You've been doing it for so many years now. So I just want to bring this to you. Like I said, this just came out 2 weeks ago. So it's a thing that's going to be happening. They've already been investing for years here. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Would you buy a fully autonomous Honda product, right off the gate if the price was right? Or you think the technology is a little too new for them at this point? I'd like to hear you guys' comments. Again, hope everyone's having a good day out there. Staying safe as always. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.